So friends, today lecture is Ansible. So what is Ansible? Why to use Ansible and configuration to Ansible and use to YML and to use to Ansible. Okay. So next lecture is Ansible. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share and watching to my YouTube channel. Please support to my YouTube channel. So, so next topic is Ansible. Ansible topics this is a topic to answer. Number first topic is configuration management concepts and tools. Second topic is Ansible architecture and components. YML syntax for Ansible, playbooks, roles, and inventory, variable templates, and conditional. Next topic is Ansible vaults for secrets. Next topic error handling and independency and civil integration with CI/CD tools. Next topic is the AI assist playbook and text generation. And next topic is natural language to YAML. And next topic and last topic is just self-handling scripts with AI triggers and remediation logic. So this topic is just Ansible to prepare it's just Ansible. So learning objectives, by the end of this lesson, you will to able to design YML syntax and architecture used in Ansible, write and run playbooks with roles, variables, and conditional. Next topic, configuration management concepts. Configuration management concept. Okay. So what is configuration management? What is configuration management? So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. So configuration management here is systematic process for maintaining the desired state of IT system and components, ensuring consistent performance throughout their life cycle. So this life cycle of configuration management it involves tracking, configuring, and updating assets. Next topic is importance of configuration management. Configuration management Configuration management is to ensure consistency, enhance efficiency, improve system stability, reduce errors, boost security, and facilitates recovery. This importance of configuration management parts. Configuration management tools. These tools are used in configuration management tools. Number five to Terraform tools are used to configuration management, Assault Stack used to configuration management, and Ansible to use to configuration management tools, and Puppet and Chiefs to use to configuration management tools. Introduction to Ansible. Introduction to Ansible. Okay. What is Ansible? Ansible is a deployment automation tool. What? Ansible is a deployment automation tool, sir. Using a push approach to manage servers from single control machine. सिंगल कंट्रोल मशीन एनसीबी जो सिंगल कंट्रोल मशीन से हम ऑटोमेशन टूल को हम मैनेज कर सकते हैं, मैनेज सर्वर को मैनेज कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो Ansible यूजर डिप्लॉय ऑटोमेशन टूल्स using a push approach to manage servers from single control machine. A simple IT tasks such as configuration management, application deployment, and orchestration. So this is the three steps of single control machine: the configuration management, application deployment, and orchestration. So this is the Ansible, this sign of Ansible. Looking of Ansible. Ansible look working of Ansible. Sorry, working of Ansible. Ansible कैसे वर्क करता है हमारा? Ansible is an agentless automation tools. Ansible एक agentless automation tools है that uses a push-based model for executing tasks. किसी भी टास्क को ये क्या करता है? पुश करता है इज ए सर्वर. So the Ansible push to server. So it's also offers flexibility to important a pull-based setup is needed. So working of Ansible push to command this server. Okay. Next topic is the push vs pull approach. Push vs pull approach. Push and pull क्या होता है हमारा? Push approach does not require agent to set up an individual. Push-based systems are synchronous, enabling instant changes and quick issue resolution. This is a push. And pull works in a master slave architecture which requires agent. इनको एजेंट की जरूरत पड़ेगी एंड आर्किटेक्चर जो मास्टर की जरूरत पड़ेगी, इससे पुल वर्क्स तो वहाँ पुल वर्क होता था. सिस्टम यूजिंग पुल आर्किटेक्चर can execute easily, which is not the case with push model. पुल हमारा इजीली नहीं होता है जैसे कि हमारा पुश काम करता है. सो दिस इज पुश एंड पुल अप्रोच. की फीचर ऑफ Ansible. This four parts of the feature of Ansible. The first part is the agentless architecture for clients. Second is a simple YML-based playbook for automation. Third is the scalability and flexibility for IT environments. Fourth is the supports for multi-tier deployments. So these key features of Ansible. Benefits of using Ansible. Ansible में हमारा क्या benefits है? Reduce manual tasks and error with automation. Automation में हमको error and task का हमको पता चल जाता है. Simplifies complex IT workflow. जो वर्कफ्लो IT वर्कफ्लो वो वेरी सिंपली हो जाता है. स्पीड अप सॉफ्टवेयर डिलीवरी एंड डिप्लॉयमेंट साइकिल. हमारे Ansible से क्या होता है? सॉफ्टवेयर डिलीवरी एंड डिप्लॉयमेंट की स्पीड इंक्रीज हो जाती है. तो इंटीग्रेट सीमलेस विद डेवऑप्स टूल्स. डेवऑप्स टूल्स के थ्रू हम इंटीग्रेट सीमली कर सकते हैं. So this benefits of using Ansible. Ansible architecture. Ansible architecture follow a master slave model. Ansible architecture जो हमारा फॉलो होता है वो मास्टर स्लेव आर्किटेक्चर के थ्रू हमारा फॉलो करता है. When the control node manage and automate tasks on multiple target node without requiring agent installation. किसी एजेंट के इंस्टॉलेशन के विदाउट ही मल्टीपल टारगेट ऑफ नोड्स पे हम काम कर सकते हैं. So this Ansible architecture follow a master slave model where the control node manage and automate tasks on multiple target node without require the agent installation. This is cloud server. The user Ansible playbook. This is Ansible playbook. The user enemy. So automation engine, Ansible automation engine, inventory, API, modules, and plugin. Ansible are support plugins. So this is a host server. This is a networking. And user Ansible playbook to configure the automation engine, this inventory API module and plugins to support to host server and this teamwork to networking any issue. So check the server. So this is the Ansible architecture. Ansible architecture modules. Ansible modules are small programs used to configure node toward desired state. Ansible connect to nodes using SSH and executes the modules. Modules are the units that execute on the server. First part is Ansible module are a small program used to configure node to desired state. Second step is Ansible connects to node. Ansible connects to node, SSH and execute the module. Third part, third and next step, third step is the modules are the units that execute on the server. Module are units execute on the server. So architecture module is a three-step to work. First step is the Ansible module to small program. Second step is the Ansible connect by SSH. And third is the module are the unit that execute on the server. Ansible architecture playbooks. Ansible playbooks are usual script for managing configuration and automating multi-machines deployments. So key feature of Ansible playbooks. Declare configuration and orchestrate tasks in a defined order. Enable synchronous or asynchronous task execution. Ideal for deploying complex application with source control script. The Ansible architecture playbooks. This key feature Ansible playbooks. Ansible architecture inventory. Inventory is a four parts defined to inventory. Number first is a machine management. Ansible uses an inventory file to manage target machine. Second grouping. Users can group machine based on their requirements. Third is a dynamic inventory. Ansible provides extensive support for dynamic inventory. Fourth is a simplified configuration. Inventory files are written in simple INI or YML format. YML is a human reads component parts. ठीक है जो YML स्क्रिप्ट जो होती है हमारी वो हम आसानी से पढ़ सकते हैं सो एंड बना सकते हैं सो दिस सपोर्ट Ansible is a support YML format. Ansible architecture API. The API is Ansible are there to support service like cloud and CLI. तो API Ansible सपोर्ट करता है वो हम क्लाउड एंड CLI के थ्रू हम सपोर्ट कर लेते हैं. जैसे एग्जाम्पल is a Python API is used for command line interface. The Python API is used to command line interface. Ansible architecture plugins. Plugins add extension to Ansible. It handles tasks like logging, machine connection, and data travel. And types of plugins are action, lookup, and inventory plugins. Ansible are supports in plugins. Next topic is Ansible Architecture Cloud. Comprehensive cloud integration for streamlined automation. AWS and Azure. Effortless infrastructure provisioning. Amazon EC2 and Azure Virtual Machine. Enhanced scalability across multiple cloud platforms. This is a multi-cloud platform is a machine. The Ansible architecture, this is a cloud server. Ansible architecture is a host. Ansible host is a machine management by a Ansible control node. Hosts are connected to the Ansible system using secure SSH connection for seamless automation. Ansible hosts are defined in the inventory file. enabling precise management of target system. So this target node, this is the machine, this is the SSH key, and this is the Ansible, this is a host, this is a plug. So this architecture of host. Ansible architecture network. Ansible network are group of connected devices managed together under Ansible framework. Key points about Ansible connection. Automate repetitive network tasks to save time. Use agentless tool for network operation and development tasks. Separate data model and execution layer to manage delivers network device. And next is use ready-made playbooks from the community and vendors to speed up automation. So this is the network part of the key component about Ansible consumption. So YML syntax of Ansible. Ansible में YML syntax क्या होता है? So this basic of YML Ansible. And YML is a human readable data format. YML file है, YML format है. YML is a human readable data format. Ansible uses YML for playbooks, inventories, and variables. Ansible are used YML playbooks, inventories, and variables. So this example, name, install Apache, was, web servers, task हम दे सकते हैं name is ensure Apache is installed, app name Apache 2 state present. So this is a part step by step. First step, name install Apache. I'll start with option but recommended. हमको क्या option is recommended. Install Apache is a step. Second is a indentation with space. No tabs defines structure. No tab defines structure. Host, web server, and tasks. Key value pair are written as key value. Key value is a written. Let's use hyphens for items. Hyphen, this is a for item. List are hyphens. List is a hyphen. This list and this list is a hyphen. Hyphen are used to YML data format. This is the first step. This is the second, third, and fourth. And these hyphen are used to in Ansible for okay. ऑटोमेशन यूजिंग एंसिबल एंसिबल में को हम ऑटोमेशन में कैसे यूज करते हैं कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मैनेजमेंट विद एंसिबल एंसिबल के थ्रू हमको कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मैनेजमेंट करना है एंसिबल ऑटोमेट सर्वर्स by bringing them to a desired state with a single automation script. Operation team, this is the operation team, this is a one operation team, okay, one operation team, and automation, this is automation server, and this is the Ansible part of script. And this is the multiple servers. So Ansible is a desired state with a single automation script, single automation script के थ्रू हमको मल्टीपल सर्वर्स पर काम कर सकते हैं okay so this configuration management with Ansible one operation team automation server and script this script is a server automation using Ansible ऑटोमेशन हमको कैसे यूज करते हैं Ansible में द डिजायर्ड स्टेट ऑफ द सर्वर इज मेंशन्ड इन द ऑटोमेशन स्क्रिप्ट जैसे ऑपरेशन टीम ऑटोमेशन स्क्रिप्ट इज द सर्वर एंड Ansible automation engine handles two difference between the host server between hot server. So Ansible ad hoc commands reach playbooks. Ansible allows users to automate their environment using two different ways, ad hoc commands and playbooks. Ansible हमारा allows our user ऑटोमेशन मतलब टू डिफरेंट वे में हमारा एंसिबल काम करता है। एक तो हमारा एड हॉक कमांड्स में काम करता है, एक दूसरा हमारे प्लेबुक्स पर काम करता है। सो एंसिबल environment using two different way, ad hoc commands and playbook commands. Ansible ad hoc commands. Ad hoc commands are one-time tasks executed directly from the command lines. Hosts, host group the commands need to be executed on. Syntax Ansible host hyphen a module hyphen a arguments. So this is the module to be executed. This part is module to be executed, and this part is module to be executed, and this part is the specifies parameter to for the selected module. ठीक है, तो ये is a two way one time task executed directly from the command line. This is just syntax module to be executed and specific parameter which is a parameter to the selected module. So ये ad hoc Ansible ad hoc commands. This is a Ansible ad hoc command. Ansible host name host hyphen m module to be executed and hyphen a arguments specific parameter for the selected module. Okay. This is the task for the command line. The ad hoc play roles and inventories. Ansible playbook. Ansible playbooks is a repeatedly file that contains a set of instructions for deploying application. Simple Ansible playbook name hyphen तो Ansible हमारा hyphen पे काम करता है and hyphen name install Apache host web server task this and फिर hyphen name install Apache app name Apache 2 and state present. So this is the Ansible playbook. So Ansible playbooks are the hyphen playbook. So Ansible playbooks are repeated files that contain a set of instructions for deploying application. Playbook modules. Modules are core units in Ansible that manage system resources like service, package, files, and or execute commands. Name stop AWTPD service. Service is a module. This service is a module and name and state. Name is a AWTPD and state is a stop. This is a module arguments. So this is a service. Service is a module and name and state is a module arguments. So this is a playbook modules. Playbook structure. basic YML structure for creating an Ansible playbook. This is hyphen host all become underscore user is a daemon become method su variables region notice task name add docker repo app underscore repository repo dev arguments M64 AWTPS, this command is just playbook structure. So the basic YML structure to creating an Ansible playbook. This is the basic architecture of Ansible playbook. Next is Ansible roles. Ansible का क्या roles होता है? Now first role is Ansible. They package tasks and configuration into reusable unit. Second roles is roles simplify maintaining and scaling infrastructure automation. Third role is civil roles ensures that you follow the DRIVE principle. And fourth roles is roles help break tasks into logical components. So this fourth role of civil roles. Okay. Any question to comment in the YouTube channel. So Ansible roles continue. This is Ansible roles. Roles organize playbooks, variables, template, tasks, and files. The logic can be grouped like server specific roles together. These roles can be used in playbooks or as inline commands. The Ansible host folder roles name is a default variables, handlers, tasks, files, meta, and template. So this is the Ansible roles. Inventories. An inventory is a list of managed nodes or hosts that Ansible deploy and configure. This is YML format. This is YML format. All host webexample.com Ansible host IP web2 web server 2 example.com Ansible host web server 2 IP children web server host web.example.com website name web2 example.com DB servers host db1 example.com Ansible host 192.168.1.20. So this is the YML format of inventory. This is dynamic inventory plugin support of the dynamic inventory plugin AWS EC2 plugin is the AWS EC2 region hyphen US hyphen east hyphen 1 filter tag environment is a production. So this is a dynamic inventory is a YML format. So an inventory is a list of managed nodes or host and date and civil deploys and configuration. Variables in playbooks. Playbooks variables. Variable in Ansible handle difference between system and environments. Signature they handle major and minor difference between system with the same configuration. Next is users can collect text from remote system and store them in variables. So this is variable in playbooks. Variables in playbooks continued. Variables can be defined and used anywhere in Ansible, the ad hoc Ansible, and playbook Ansible, and inventory of Ansible. The variable of playbooks is the three-part ad hoc, playbooks, and inventory. Simple variables. Simple variables combine a variable name with a single value. The definition of single variable region is Asia and reference the simple variable. Simple variable servers is a region. Region servers is a region. Region is a Asia. So this simple variable combined of variable name with a single value. List of variable वो single variable और list of variable multiple of multiple of variables. There's a multiple of variables. So a list variable combines a variable name of multiple values. Definition defining the list variable region हमारे multiple region हो सकते हैं हमारे एशिया यूरोप नॉर्थ अमेरिका एंड साउथ अमेरिका. So this region of variables and servers region 2. And region 2 servers is a region 2 and region 2 is Asia, Europe, North America, and South America. So this is a region. So this is a multiple region. Asia, Europe, America, and South America. So this is a multiple region. So list of variable. This is a list of variable. This is a simple variable. Okay. Dictionary variables. Third is a dictionary variable. Dictionary variable, each dictionary variable stores the data in key value pairs. की वैल्यू पेयर्स में हमारा डिक्शनरी ऑफ वेरिएबल होता है. तो defining a dictionary variable. Simple argument 1 yes, argument 2 no. So reference of directory variable, simple argument 1 or simple argument 2. So this is the dictionary variable. Next is the registry variable. Output from other tasks can be stored and used a variable for other variable. The process is nowhere registering variables. The task name execute shell script shell some string script.sh register is a result. So name restart docker if result is greater than 5 is less than 5. So service name docker state restarted. When result.rc is less than 5. So this is a registering variable. Output from other tasks can be stored and used a variable for other variable. The purpose is no a registering variable. Ansible templates. Ansible template. This is the Ansible templates. What are template? Template क्या है? Template dynamic configuration files that add Jinja to templating, allow embedded variables, loops, and conditions. Why to use template? Replace hard-coded value with variable, generate environment-specific configuration, dev, and flow. So the nginx.config.j2 server list nginx port default port is a 80. To server name is a server name root web root. This is the example of Ansible template. So nginx is configuration.j2. This server is a nginx port number and default port is 80. Server name and server name root is a web root and body close. So this example of Ansible template. Ansible conditionals. Conditioner are an Ansible feature that allow you to control the execution flow of playbook tasks based on declared conditions. Action like database backups, system reboots, or user management can be triggered only when relevant conditions are true. Unnecessary tasks can be skipped based on condition, improving playbook efficiency and reducing potential errors. And next condition can be used to notify relevant teams only when changes related to their responsibility occurs, enhancing communication and accountability. This is the Ansible condition. This is code is the Ansible condition and multiple Ansible conditions. Ansible Vault. Overview of Ansible Vault. Ansible Vault. Ansible Vault is a feature of Ansible that allows you to key and see sensitive data such as password or key in encrypted files rather than as plain text in playbook of vaults. And the Ansible Vault command line tool is used to create, edit, read, encrypt, and decrypt. Vault protects files, ensuring convenience and users handling of encrypted content. Vault password can be provided by command line flags or set in Ansible config to avoid repeated prompts. This overview of Ansible Vault. Next topic is what can be encrypted with Ansible Vault. High level encryption and variable level encryption. Two types of variable of encryption. Number one is high level encryption. Number two is variable level encryption. High level encryption. This is high level encryption. Okay. This is variable level encryption. High level encryption. Vault can be encryption is Ansible data file such as inventory, variable roles, variable tasks, and handles. Entire file can be encrypted into binaries. This is binary format of file level encryption. And variable level encryption, Ansible can support encrypted single values inside a YML file using the vault tag or let YML and Ansible know it use special processing. This is the vault YML file using the vault tag. Vault tag. The for detailed information you can the Ansible documentation. This is the Ansible documentation. So click to Ansible documentation. This is the Ansible vault. Ansible vault and this is the Ansible vault. Click to Ansible vault. Vault ID. Vault ID label source. Ansible vault script to .yml. Ansible vault create vault ID password from to .yml. Rating extension file. Ansible hyphen vault edit f2.yml. This is the editing and is the recking encrypted files and encrypted unencrypted files. This is so using encrypted behavior. So this is the result. This is the result. This is the result, and this is the result. Okay. So this is the encrypted files. So next lecture is the implementing secure management with Ansible Vault demo. Okay. Error handling and independency of Ansible. Error handling in Ansible. Ignore error. Yes. Continuous playbook execution can task based continuously. Failed when जब फेल होता है तो when custom failure condition based on command output. Structure error recovery block is rescue always block hyphen block name command rescue name recovery setup debug message task failed but playbook continues always name cleanup setup and file path this path is the shell. So register plus HS. Register plus H is a validated task output before processing proceeding. Avoid ignore errors unless necessary. Prepare rescue block. So this error handling or in Ansible. Ensuring independently of Ansible. This is independently of Ansible. Independency means that running a playbook multiple times yield the same the state. Most Ansible modules are important file, app, and template. And would not independent tasks use creates rewards, change when false state, and when to ensure independence. So example is a name ensure directory is independent file path this path or my app path state directory only runs if missing. So only run is missing and name run script once importance background command and /win setup dot sh arguments and creates of my app initiate skip in method h0. This is h0. So this is the insurance independency in Ansible with example. Next topic is Ansible integration with CI/CD. Ansible से हम CI/CD यानी continuous integration and continuous deployment tools को कैसे Ansible से integration करेंगे. So next topic is Ansible integration with CI/CD tools. Integration of Ansible with CI/CD tools. Automate infrastructure provisioning and app deployment in CI/CD pipeline. Automate infrastructure provisioning and app deployment with CI/CD continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline. Some important integration. Some important integration parts of number first is Jenkins. Use the Ansible plugins or set steps to run playbook. Jenkins हम plugin का support लेंगे Ansible के लिए. So shell setup in playbook. Number second is a GitHub CI/CD. Define Ansible tasks in GitLab ci.yml for deployment. GitHub action. Next is the GitHub action. Leverage community action like Ansible action. Number next is the Azure DevOps. Execute playbooks by YML pipeline with Ansible tasks. So some important of integration parts. Some important of the integration parts of the Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, GitHub Action, and Azure DevOps. The integration of Ansible is this part. Jenkins use the Ansible plugins and GitHub and CI/CD define the Ansible task. GitLab.ci.yml and deploy. Man, GitHub Action. Next is Azure DevOps. Execute playbooks by YML pipeline with Ansible tasks. So this integration steps of CI/CD tools, and next is a demo Ansible playbook from Jenkins. Next lecture is a trigger Ansible playbook of Jenkins. Is a demo. Okay. नेक्स्ट इज AI इंटीग्रेशन विद एंसिबल. एंसिबल को AI के थ्रू कैसे इंटीग्रेशन हम कर सकते हैं. सो AI assisted playbook generation. AI assisted playbook generation is a AI assisted playbook generation key AI tools and playbook generation. GitHub Copilot tools. This is the GitHub Copilot tools and Tab9 tools. This is the Tab9 tools and Code Whisper AWS. This is the AI tools. So leveraging AI coding assistant, GitHub Copilot, Tab9 and Code Whisper to automate or AI coding assistant GitHub Control, Tab9 and Code Whisper to automate or enhance playbook development. The playbook can include incident response, DevOps workflow, and security automation, and more. So these AI assistant playbook generation tools. So key AI tools are the GitHub Copilot, Tab9, and AWS Code Whisper. Natural language or AYML conversion. Large language model, LLM is a large language model. Like OpenAI, GPT, or Cortex can translate natural language prompt into structured YML through tools like Ansible or GitHub Action. LLM is a large language model, is a LLM like OpenAI GPT. Cortex can translate language prompt into the structured YML tool like Ansible or GitHub Action. Why to use LLM? Why to use LLM? Efficiency. First is the efficiency due to LLM. Reduce time spent the manual YML script. Accessibility. Second is accessibility. Allow non-YML expert to create automation workflow. Next is the consistency. Minimize syntax error in generated playbooks. So limitation of the LLM. Output will require validate the schema, and checks drivers. Complex logic might need human refinement. So this is the limitation of LLM. LLM is a large language models. self-handling scripts with AI triggers. Self-handling script of the AI triggers. Self-handling is a self-handling AI trigger automate detection, diagnostic, and remediation of failure in IT systems. And next is a minimize downtime and manual troubleshooting. So this is a AI handling. This is first AI handling, self handling to skip AI trigger, trigger machine, which is trigger machine, remediation logic, key components, and AI and ML monitoring. Artificial intelligence and machine learning monitoring के through sample intelligence can trigger machine remediation logic and key component. Example use case AI detect the database component connection is spike and civil spike spike and civil automate skill the backend and notifies lab. So this example use case of the self-handling scripted with AI triggers. AI triggers self-handling in a scheme of working detection, detection, AI, ML, and monitoring tools which are Elastic State and Datadog. AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning or monitoring tools are used. Monitoring tools are used Elastic State and Datadog. And this is a detection and trigger alert sent by API, webhook to Ansible automation platform. Remediation Ansible remediation is a Ansible runs playbook with condition logic is a restart service rollback update adjust social. This is the remediation part. And working productive resolution fix issue before user notice. Consistency avoids human error in repetitive fix. Extensively integrates with Kubernetes, Cloud API, and ITSM tools. So integration with Kubernetes, Cloud API, and ITSM tools. So this is AI trigger self-handling in Ansible. So next lecture is use GitHub Copilot for assistant playbook authoring. So this is a summary. In this lesson, you have learned to recognize the main elements of Ansible architecture and associated tools and explain the structure and center YML apply Ansible and design AI-driven self-recognition playbook using natural language processing and integrate with into the CI/CD pipeline. So this is a summary in this lecture. So any question, please tell me and like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And any question, please comment to YouTube channel. So thank you. Goodbye. And any question, tell me. Is your YouTube channel and like and subscribe. Please do not forget. And bye bye. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Goodbye.